Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will guide you through the process of entering customer supplier-wise other details in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the Enter Customer Supplier-wise Other Details module. Select the accounts for which you want to add other details and then click on Refresh. On this screen, you can enter new details as well as edit existing customer or supplier information. Let's proceed to enter the details. If you want to apply the same value to the entire column, select the column, press the F2 key, and set the value for the column. And click OK. As you can see, the selected value is automatically applied to the entire column in a single action. Similarly, to delete data from an entire column, select the column and press F3, and simply click on Yes. As observed, the data for the selected column has been deleted. After updating the details, save the data. This is how customer supplier other details can be updated for multiple accounts at once within this module. Alternatively, you can also import these details from an Excel sheet. Let's take a quick look at its functionality. Let's first review the accounts whose details we are going to import. As observed, only limited details of the selected accounts are currently available. To import data from Excel, click on Import from Excel. By selecting the Help option, you can view the list of supported column names for importing details from Excel. We have already prepared an Excel sheet with the relevant details to be imported. Now, browse and select the Excel sheet, then click on Refresh. As you can see, the details from the Excel file are successfully reflected on the screen. Finally, click on Save to import the details. The details have been imported successfully. Let's verify them in the Setup New Account window. As you can see, the imported details are correctly reflected here. This is how you can maintain accurate customer supplier-wise other details data in Logic ERP, saving time and reducing errors.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.